Step 7.6, the 16 member will create a line chart for the Z-score ratio. We're going to put it right to the right of the ROE chart, and we're going to name it Z-score. We're going to put the legend on the right. We're going to have the bankruptcy predicted in the no financial distress line as black dotted. Here's what I'm talking about, is this chart right here to the right of the ROE chart, and the legends on the right. Don't worry about the colors of the individual variables. We'll fix that later. But here are the no financial distress and the bankruptcy predicted data is right here in black dotted lines. So the shortcuts that we're going to use are Control G to get to the data, Control A to select the data, Alt F1 to create a chart, arrows to move the chart, although arrows are really slow. We're going to have to use the mouse to move a little bit faster. Shift arrow to resize the chart, which will do as much as we can to get it into the ballpark, but then we're going to have to use the mouse again to refine it. Sorry for that. And then Alt JC to fix all the things about the chart. Like it's going to be a bar chart at first. It's not going to have a chart title. It's going to have the legend at the bottom. And there's a bunch of things we need to fix. And we'll use Alt JC to fix it as much as we can. But I'm just going to warn you that there's some extreme inefficiencies and some bugs in Excel Online that we're going to have to use the mouse a couple times. I apologize for that. So Shift Control Tab to get back to our data, and Z-score I see is in cell A46, so I'm going to go Control G, A46, enter, and Control A to select all the data. And notice how it selects only the Z-score data, because line 55 is a blank line, the line above it is blank, so it's just the contiguous cells that get selected with Control A. And then Alt F1 to create a chart, and I can use my arrows, but look how slow it is. So I'm going to use it to drag it right to the approximate right position. I'm going to put it to the middle over M and R and about the vertical middle. So the horizontal middle, shift left arrow, left arrow, left arrow to get about to where we want, and shift up arrow, up arrow, up arrow to get about to where we want. And then I'm going to use my mouse to get it exact. There. Okay, now let's go Alt JC, and the first thing I'm going to switch on the left is the row column switch, because notice how the companies are on the x-axis. We don't want that. We want the years in the x-axis, and still the years aren't quite there, but we're closer. But at least the companies are variables now. And go Alt JC again, and E for select data. You're gonna have to use your mouse here. So because our horizontal x-axis, we want to be the years, and the years it says Z-score. That's the one to the left of the years. So Z-score, and then now get rid of Z-score down in the column values, or if it changes to the letters and numbers, so we want to get rid of that first one. And then we're done with that. Then Alt JC, or we're going to have to click back on the chart. Alt JC and E, or sorry, not E, sorry, Alt JC M to choose the right kind of line chart. And then Alt JC for the chart title, AC, and E to edit it, and Shift Tab to get back up to it, and type Z-score, enter. And then Alt JC again, and this time we're going to move the legend, which is AL, and to the right, R. And now there is the bankruptcy predicted and the no financial distress. So the no financial distress is actually this one right here. And go to Format and go down to Outline, change it to the black, and then go down to dashes and change it to dashes. And do the same thing for bankruptcy predicted. Change it to black, and also dashes. There. The Z-score chart is done.